inside a small, frankly unnoticeable building on the side of a busy street just south of New Orleans. Small miracles are happening.
We had one child 90 minutes after he was pulled out of the pool. We had him in a chamber. He went home from the hospital 4 days later and went back to school in 6 weeks.
For 35 years, Dr. Paul Harch has been treating children and adults with all types of injuries inside these 4 glass chambers.
It is a drug therapy, but like no other drug, and it has 2 components to it. One is the oxygen, increased oxygen, and the other is increased pressure.
Hyperbaric oxygen treatment, he says, has been around for hundreds of years, but the medical community didn't know how it worked.
My generation of doctors was taught that this was non-scientific.
It was largely used to help divers recover from decompression sickness until the last decade, when he says they've been able to establish this as a gene-activating therapy.
What's now been shown is that hyperbaric treatment turns on or turns off over 40% of the genes in every cell in our body.
Now he uses it to help brain injury victims like Sugarland toddler Dylan.
He has had a almost immediate change in his improvement curve to where he started blinking, moving his eyes, some facial expression, his tone decreased, and he relaxed.
The pressurized air, he says, is targeting baby Dylan's growth and repair hormones.
So we're stopping the inflammatory process or inhibiting it and stimulating tissue growth.
Through this work, Dr. Harch's HBOT practice is slowly making waves and proving to be an alternative medicine.
It's becoming more acknowledged that this is effective for a wide range of conditions.